Hi everyone, this is a really short video just to explain how to make your Digication projects public. So again, you're editing this. There is this switch up here where you can go between edited mode and published view. Published view is what people will see when they actually click on the on your assignment on your Digication page. That's what they'll actually see. Notice when I do this, when it does come up, all of these instructions, it says only available, viewable while editing, all of that will go away, right? And it just looks like this. But when you're in the edit mode, and we'll go back to the edit mode, when you're in the edit mode, my picture over here, when you're in the edit mode, you can go to this menu up here in the top right hand corner. You click on that and you can go to settings. And when you go to settings, it'll take a little while, but you've got in here some choices. Private only within CUNY Queensborough Community College. That's where you want it. It might automatically be set up to that, but if it's not, you can change it, because it might be, if I go to edit, you can be private to me, and you can't have it in private to you, because that means I can't see it, and it means that other students in the class can't see it. You could put it to public, but that means everybody can see it. It's searchable in the internet, so anybody just plugs into Google, they might eventually find it. So I think the best thing is just to put it in private within CUNY Queensborough Community College. Then everybody in the class will be able to see it. And again, I can see it. Again, this might already be set like this for you, and some of them it's already set so that it's private within CUNY, and then it's shared to ENGL 2020, which is our class. But again, if it's not, change it. So when you pull this up, if it doesn't say private within CUNY Queensborough Community College, you can hit the edit button and change it.